everybody, it's Jody and it's Furry Friday today. I have Hiccup here, and that's his name. I thought was so cute. He's a 1-year-old Chihuahua short hair mix, and he came to the shelter on the 11th of September, and we don't really know, but we probably think he was hit by a car, and he came in with a broken pelvis and some femur damage on the other side, so he was pretty smashed up. The vet staff fixed him up with the pelvis. You can see he's had his surgery. His femur is all taken care of. Another dog just walked in, and we're very excited about seeing this other big dog. Anyway, he's all fixed up, and he is fun and sweet, loves other dogs, loves people, walks really nicely on the leash, and he is absolutely to die for. Very treat motivated. He's he's a baby. He's just 1, so he's still got a lot of learning left, and he would be really fun to have in the house. We're asking that at least the volunteers right now, that they have him kind of on not a real heavy walk schedule, that they come into the exercise yard with him. He probably needs a little bit of physical therapy, which he will most likely do himself. He walks very nicely right now. Every once in a while he lifts up his leg a little bit, but he has to use that leg. So we want him to be in the exercise area to get some exercise, but not really do a lot of physical walking at this point. So Hiccup is ready to go, and again, he looks more like a little brown and white terrier than a brown and white Chihuahua to me, but I'm not an expert. So come down and get him. He is ready to go, and we are also having a big event tomorrow from 11 to 5, and it is a free adoption event minus the microchip, minus the licensing, but we'll have a flyer, and come down and take a look at him and take him home with you. Thanks so much, and enjoy the event tomorrow.